Hi, I'm Amanda, and today I'm going to show you how to use your new Frontpoint Hub and Keypad. We will walk you through how you will interact with your system on a daily basis. You can also find this information and more in the System Feature Guide. This can be found at the bottom of your Frontpoint packaging. Your Frontpoint Hub and Keypad have LED indicators on them to reflect the current status of your system. We will show you each system status in this tutorial. Let's look at your Frontpoint Keypad. You will notice a number pad for your 4-digit user code, a stay, away, and a disarm button. Let's walk you through how to use all of these buttons now. Let's say you're staying home for the day but still want to keep your system armed. We'll use the stay button, which arms everything except your motion sensors. That way, you don't trigger your system when you're walking around your house. Go ahead and press the stay button now.
System armed, stay.
Now let's say that your system is finished arming. If a door was opened, you will immediately hear the system start to beep. That will be the beginning of your entry delay, which is the time that you have to enter your 4-digit user code into the keypad before the alarm sounds. By default, this period will last 30 seconds. Okay, let's disarm your hub using your 4-digit user code on the hub. Enter your user code and press disarm.
System disarmed.
Okay, let's go ahead and arm the system again. Only this time, let's say you are leaving the house. Now we want to arm all the sensors, including your motion sensors. To do this, press the away button once. Great! Once again, you will have 1 minute to exit the house and close the door behind you before the system is fully armed.
System armed, away.
Remember, once the system is armed and a door is open, you will begin to hear the system beep. That is the beginning of your 30-second entry delay. That's the time you have to enter your user code into the keypad before the alarm sounds. Now let's go ahead and enter your 4-digit user code one more time and press the disarm button to disarm the system.
System disarmed.
Let's look at the number pad and identify your panic buttons. If you trigger a panic, an alarm will sound and a signal will be sent to the monitoring station. In this case, or in the case of any alarm, our monitoring station will then call you to verify the alarm and dispatch the appropriate units if necessary. We won't press the buttons, but let's go over them now. Press and hold both the asterisk and pound button at the same time for 3 seconds to dispatch the police. If you are experiencing a medical emergency, press and hold the 4 button and the 6 button at the same time for 3 seconds. To report a fire, press and hold the 7 button and the 9 button for 3 seconds. And that's it! You're now ready to use your Frontpoint Hub and Keypad. Remember, you can always refer to this guide for system tips. Thank you for choosing Frontpoint.